Cronuts, look. Allah. Chef Nat's Cronuts. Nah. Is that legit? I'm in search for that Chef Nat's Cronuts because I want to figure it out if it tastes the same. The people. Oh goodness. I see the cronut right in front of me. Here we go. See it. I see it. Hala. Strawberry, black forest. Iba-ibang flavor. Cream cheese, chocolate, cinnamon, almond, and blueberry. You wanna try? Go sa kulang. Sige. Look at the price.
3 pieces.
One is 50 each. That's a bargain if it tastes the same. You want to try one? Gusto mo? Ano mo gusto niya kainin yan? Ito.
No.
Let's see. I'm gonna try this one, Black Forest. May stuffing yan. May filling din.
Meron na.
So, gusto mo?
Tingin sa naka-share na lang kami.
We get 3 pieces. Tapos iba-ibang flavor.
Sige. Pwede naman.
So, isang Black Forest. Oh, anong gusto mo? Ano? Anong gusto mo? Hindi ba isa na?
Chocolate lang.
Chocolate daw ang isa. Ikaw?
Blueberry. Honey ka?
Hindi, ay, sa mga almond. At saka, ha? Gusto mo almond? Oh, almond daw ang isa. Hala, i-try natin. I bought 3 flavors, so we're gonna try and see if it tastes the same as Dominic Ansel's donut. I mean, cronuts. Okay, taste test to see if these cronuts are the same. Ayan, yan ang binili ko. Ito Black Forest ang i-order. So, tikman natin. Cut-slice ko na lang kasi taste ko kailangan. But I'm gonna see. Or you know, this is not how you eat. So, it's basically a cronut that's fried. Is what a cronut. I know, a croissant that is fried. O meron nga silang filling. Ano? Not exactly, but it is like a cronut. But it seems like this is sweeter. I don't think it's the same as the one in the US. Not quite exactly the same. It's a little drier though, but it's still good. It's a little sweet. Huh? Yep, not exactly. But it's still good. So, taste test ko compared to Ansel's cronut, not quite the same. This is a little, ang tawag nun? Siksik. Ano ba siksik? I don't know what it's called siksik in the US. It's more, I don't know, siksik firm. Oh, ano ba yun? Siksik. What is siksik?
Dense?
Yeah, that's right. Ang buti pa si Anika, alam niya. It's more dense ang texture niya compared to the US. So, there you go. That's my review. Chef Nan's Cronuts. Sit down, madam. She's gonna give me a review. She wants to cut it para malaman natin kung ang feeling niya is the same as what I ate earlier. Yeah, nako. Ang senyorita, ano pa, small bite. So let's see the feeling. This is the chocolate cronut.
There's
Katagal naman maghiwa.
cream
Ano ba?
filling inside.
So, ang feeling niya sa gitna ay the same as the other one. Makukuha talaga ang video mukha mo. Ayan, ang beauty. Ano? Hindi, sasarap ba? Hindi siya makasarap.
Masarap. How can I compare and I'm not in New York City?
I know, but is it dense? Does it look like it's dense? Masarap. Masarap. Pero you
Soft.
Soft? Is it flaky? Flaky?
Yung sa ibabaw siya ha.
Oh,
May crunchiness.
okay. That's okay.
Not too sweet.
Not too sweet ang
Yes.
sayo?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay. Na,
How about you, Anika?
Anika, it's your turn. Tingnan natin kung ano. Kung pare-pareho ang feeling. So, I think the feeling is all the same inside, huh? And then the chef just topped the, this one is an almond cronut. Makita kung flaky o hindi. Now, you see if it's flaky. Let me see. See, the feeling I have earlier is like that too, huh? So, parang cream feeling ang gitna. What you think? Kainin mo na, Anika. That's your merienda. Let's see. So, I'm gonna let her chew. And see. Now, of course, this is her first time eating cronuts. She's trying to see. So, okay, review. The reveal.
Sweetness, 8 out of 10. Wow, may rating ako.
So, is it sweet or too sweet or not too sweet? Ang 10 is sweet.
The feelings to me is too sweet. Harm.
When you say feeling, you inside. Or just overall.
Yung inside.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi ba parang matigas?
Well, it has to be flaky. Hindi ba matigas? Matigas sa'yo. May crunch nga siya eh, kasi it's
may crunch.
fried.
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. But of course, she doesn't again have comparison of the one in the US. So, pero masarap.
Okay
So,
lang.
masarap. In Filipino taste that you have not eaten the cronut, masarap.
The almond topping is good.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Pero parang
Ako,
gusto ko kasi ano,
titikman ko to. Akin na ito,
Buo
ha?
lang.
Titikman ko to. Titignan ko
Parang
lang
kasi
kung...
kinain ko, parang gusto ko yung texture niya maging donut.
Hindi pwede, Hindi ito donut. Ito yung almond cronut ni Anika na I will taste. Tingnan ko kung yung feeling. After the feeling first. Okay. So definitely the Filipino cronut, the filling inside of each are all the same. Okay? And then what Chef Nate did is just top the top of whatever. Like this one is almond. So almond flavor on the topping. But the taste pretty close, but I think it's sweeter. This one is flakier than the one I had earlier, seems like. But overall, comparing to the US cronut, I think this is 7 out of 10. Remember, the US cronut, the inside filling and the top is all the same. And then the flavor of the month is only once every month it changes. So kung mango filling, so kung mango flavor of the month, mango topping ang in up, and then mango also ang filling. Not like this one. But 7 out of 10. Okay ka pa rin sa akin, Chef Nate. Price-wise, this is only 50. Was it 50? 50 a piece.
3 for
diba?
140.
And 3 for what? 140? So, basically, $1 per
Less than.
cronut here in the Philippines.
Less than pala.
While in the US, I believe, if I remember correctly, was $6.99 a piece. So, mas mura pa rin to, di ba?
Yes.
So, okay ka pa rin sa akin, Chef Nate. Yan, take 2. Ano?
Kung i-compare mo sa mga Krispy Kreme, kasi donut yun. Iba to, alam ko, cronut is a mixture of, ano yun?
Croissant,
Croissant and
but
and donut, diba? Pero
Hindi.
kapag i-compare mo, hindi
Hindi.
sa donut lang. Hindi,
Hindi.
donut, hindi masarap. Mas masarap to.
Siyempre,
Diba? Croissant yan eh.
kasi it's a croissant.
Saka may crispy.
That's fried. That's the difference. But in comparison to the cronut in the US, of course you have no comparison.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got
Bring
it.
me one from New York.
No, you gotta go to New York and I'll treat you to how many more cronuts you want to have over there.
Yes.
Okay?
Ayoko na. Magkakaroon akong belly niyan eh.